In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a signature on DocuSign. We'll start at your DocuSign homepage, which serves as your central hub for managing documents and agreements. To initiate a new request for a signature, click on the Start button. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Agreements section where you'll find the Start Now option. Choosing either of these will guide you to the next phase of the process in no time. Once you're prepped and ready, it's time to upload your documents. You have the option to either select documents saved on your computer or utilize a pre-existing template in the DocuSign library. Templates are particularly useful if you're dealing with repetitive types of documents, ensuring a more streamlined process. Uploading is straightforward. Either drag and drop your files or browse through your computer's directory. Next, you'll need to specify who you wish to receive the documents for signing. Begin by entering the recipient's name and email address. DocuSign also allows you to personalize your communication. You can include a secure code for added security or a private message to provide context to the recipient. Additionally, as you set this up, you have the opportunity to craft an email subject line and include a message to accompany the signing request. Once you're satisfied with the details, simply click Next to proceed further. Now, you'll see your document on the screen with a variety of options on the side. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to add the necessary fields for signing. Under the Standard Fields section, you'll find the Signature tool. Simply drag and drop the signature field onto the document wherever you need the recipient's signature. You can repeat this process for multiple signature fields if necessary. Place other fields, such as the date signed or an initial box, in the appropriate spots if needed. DocuSign's intuitive interface makes this step efficient and customizable to your particular needs. After everything looks good and all fields are appropriately placed, you're almost done. One final review doesn't hurt, so take a moment to ensure all the details are correct and that you've placed fields exactly where they need to be for the recipient's ease. Ensuring this step is done meticulously helps in avoiding unnecessary back and forth later on. Once you are confident that everything is just right, go ahead and click Send. At this point, a notification will be sent to your recipient, inviting them to sign your document electronically. They will receive an email with straightforward instructions to access and sign the document, which greatly simplifies the signing process and speeds up the turnaround time. That's it. You've successfully sent a document for signature using DocuSign. It's an effortless process. Once you get used to the interface, enhancing productivity, and keeping your document workflows smooth and efficient. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy signing!